Assalamu alaikum dear parents and students. I hope you are fine. We are introducing a Foxon series course and this is the Maths Beginners Workbook 1. These are contents, worksheets. You have to give in worksheets and page numbers. Turn page number 1. Write down date, day and classwork. Write, trace and write. You have to give in 0 to 10 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to give in 0 to 10 numbers. First you have to start tracing like this. You have to give in 0 and start tracing like this. 0, 0, 0. Then you have to write down over here 0, 0. You have to give in 4 boxes. 0. Then next number is 1. You have to start tracing, then write over here 1. This is your classwork. Okay dear, turn page number 2, write down date, day and classwork. This is your activity and it is very easy. Say and color the number, then count and color the group with the same numbers of objects. You have to give in 2 numbers. Okay dear, and you have to give in 3 boxes. First box you have to give in 3 mangoes. 1, 2, 3. Next box you have to give in 2 mangoes. 1, 2. Another box you have to give in 1 mango. Then count which is 2 mangoes. This one? No. This one? Yes. We have 2 number and we have 2 mango. You have to color it 2 mangoes. Come down. This is 4 number. This is 4 number. And you have to give in 3 boxes. One box you have 2 ducks, 2 duckling, 1, 2. Another box we have 1 duckling. Another box we have 4 ducklings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is a right box. 4 number, 4 ducklings. 4 number, 4 ducklings. You have to color it. Come down. This is a 5 number. Okay, we have 3 boxes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. No, this is not a right box. Let's count another box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lamps? 5. Another box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 lamps. Which is right box? This one? No. This one? No. This is a right box because we have 5 number and we have 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to start color it. All these lamps. Not box, but you have to color in these lamps. 7. We have 7 number and we have to give in 3 boxes. Let's count which is right box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is right box? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes, this is a right box. We have 7 numbers and we have 7 objects or we have 7 rabbits. You have to color all rabbits. Next number is 8. We have to give in 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a right? No. Let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count another box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which is right box? This one? No, because we have 4 flowers. This one? No, we have 5 flowers. And we have 8 number. So which is right box? We have 8 flowers. This is a right box because we have 8 flowers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is right box. You have to color all flowers. Come to the next page. Page number is 3. Write down date, day and homework. Write backward counting 10 to 0. Okay dear, we have done forward counting 0 to 10 and this is a backward counting 10 to 0. What comes before 10? What comes before 10? 9. Yes, you have to write down over here. What comes before 9? 8. Yes, you have to write down over here. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 6? What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6? 5. You have to write down over here like this. What comes before 5? 4. Yes, you have to write down over here. What comes before 4? 3. Yes, you have to write down over here. What comes before 3? 2. You have to write down over here like this. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 1? 0. This is very interesting activity and you have to color all balloons. Okay dear, thank you so much. I hope you understand all homework and classwork. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.